everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a simple DIY project. I'm in my bathroom. I'm going to install the pump. I already installed the toilet pump. That is working. I have another pump. I'm going to install it in my other bathroom. You can change your pump if they are not working or they start leaking. In my case, both pumps are working. I just want to change it to the newer pump. Let me show you in this one how the pump looks like it. It's very easy and it's simple to do it. And then we'll go in another bathroom and then I'm going to show you the installation process. So let me close in and I will show it to you. This is the newer pump which I already replaced it, and if we flush it, it's working perfectly fine, and this is the water goes in, and that's the floater is there, and this is really nice pump. Now we go to the other bathroom and I will show you how it's easy to install this pump. This one is a Fluidmaster 400A toilet pump. It can be any pump, but the procedure is very similar to it. Also in this bathroom, I'm going to remove the toilet seat and I'm going to discard it. And I'm going to install the new bidet with toilet seat. So for that, I'm not going to show you the video because I posted the video, but I'm going to show you how you can install the pump. So let me close in and you can see it. This is the water supply. We're going to turn it off and we're going to make sure that the water is totally flushed out. Then we're going to open it. Since I'm changing the pumps on all the toilets, I've already removed the water and cleaned it, but it's a good idea when you're doing it first time, you keep the bucket or container underneath or rag or towel underneath, so if there is any water, and that way we won't make more mess. So once, this is the hand tight basically, and if it's tight, then you use a plier to open it. So once we open it, as you see, there is still a little water. As I mentioned that I already drained the water, everything I've done ahead of the video, but still, as we open it, still there is a little water coming out. So it's a good idea to put towel. And now I'm going to open the top. So now the pump itself has a locking nut underneath. So that one you need a plier to open it. So this one is sitting there for a long time. So just use a plier. So once the locking nut is removed, now we can pull the pump out. And this is the pump. So this is the new pump. We're going to install it. So this is the new pump and it's very easy to install it. This is the tubing. You insert the tubing in, just like that. So this is the new pump and we put the tubing. And now this is the other part comes with it. The way they did it, they put everything inside this washer and the other locking nut. And this is the one for your water supply in case you need a new one, they provide you the extra one. And this one will go on the top of our pump. And on that side, we're going to install, that's the other side of the hose, gets connected to this and one connected on this side. So with this washer, you just press with thumb and you just break this one in the middle, just like this. So this is the washer. You can cut it with the blade or you can just do it. And when you're going to install it, it's very important with the washer. The ring side, like this, that goes at the bottom and the flat side goes on the top. So you install it, just press it like this, and it goes just like that. So once we put the washer, now we're going to take this pump inside and we'll put it into the hole, just like that. And now this is the locking nut, and that goes on the bottom. I'm going to install the locking nut and do the hand tight. Once it's a hand tight, this is the water supply. You're going to put that. You don't have to force it. It's a hand tight is good. And now we're going to go on the top. After making sure the connections are nicely tight, this is the pipe connected on this side. That's where the water is going to come. And I'm going to start it. So we're going to check out if there is any leak. There is no leak. Even after installing, you come back after half an hour, check it out if there is any leak. So there is no leak. And also there is other way, a paper towel, and you can check if there is any leak. But this one looks very fine, and this one looking good. I'm going to flush it and we'll see. As you see, it's with the full force, the water is flowing, and that's how it's easy. You change your pump, and only thing is you can adjust the height of water by turning the knob inside, and that's it. And the bidet is also installation done. As for installation video for this Brandel type of bidet, I have a video posted. Please check it out. Before wrapping up, I wanted to share with you one tip. With the newer pump, this piece comes and we put it on the pipe on the other side, and when we're going to install it, then it will cause a problem. I try to install it on this side of the hose, and then once we put it here, it sprays the water, and also the pump stays open. And it will keep filling the water, and it will keep draining out. The tip what I wanted to share with you, this is the older pump which we removed it, and it has a small clip on this side. So what I did, I took that clip out, and I'm going to discard this one. So this one you can throw it away. I put the clip. It goes only one way because there is a groove on the side. If we see at the bottom, I put it inside the pipe and I slide it in. And if I not do it, as I flush it now, and it fills up the water stays in there, the pump, the floater also closes it. See, it stops. That tip I really wanted to share with you, that in case if your newer one don't work, sometime your pump configuration can be different. You can use from the old pump which we pull it out. So that works well. So I hope this video will help you out and motivate you to do your own DIY. If you found this video to be helpful, like always, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.